Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this video is for You Decide Kentucky to show you how to change the counter on the home page in the Avada theme and also to make changes on your resource page. So the first thing you do is log into the back end. You should have that information on how to do that and your username and password. If you don't, let me know and I can resend it. Once you've logged in, you're going to go to Pages. And this is for the first thing on the home page, the counter. We're going to hit edit. You're going to hover over here. And you wanted me to do this in Live Builder, so I'm going to do that. So it's really editing the live version, and you can see it on the front end as you're editing it. So if you have any issues with that and you decide you really want to edit it for the back end, let me know and I can redo the tutorial. So you want to hover over here and hit Live Builder. And that's going to take you to the home page. With this area here is the editor. So let's scroll down to the counter section. Then you're going to hover over this and hit the little edit icon. And over here you've got the three counters: money raised, miles driven, counties visited. All you have to do is hit the little edit button again, change the value, click back, it changed it, and then hit save. So you would do that for each one, or you can do them all at once and then save them. And then you could hit save. I'm going to actually change them back real quick. So put this back to 0. Edit statewide driven. Take that back to 0 and take this back to 18. Now that that's all done and I see it, I'm going to hit save up here in the right hand corner. And then I always like to go back to the front end of the site just to make sure that it's saved and looks correct. Scroll on down. And yeah, it changed it back. So that's pretty simple. Let's go to the resource page. So just click resources. And up here you can click edit live. You can also do it up here just like you did it the other way in the dashboard to begin with, but you can also just do it up here, hit edit live. So the resource page has two different sections. They're both checklist sections, but this one you have loaded a document that you want to be able to, when someone clicks on it, to download. So in that case, you have to have something already loaded to your media library. I put some document in there just for testing purposes that you can watch me do it. But the first thing you do is, technically the first thing you'd have to do is go back to your dashboard and then go to media library, add new, select a file. Go ahead and do it again just so you can see it. Hit whatever you want to load. Usually it's a PDF. Open, it loads it. It's going to give you the option to copy the URL. So do that. Then go back to pages. Hit edit live builder under resources. Click the edit option here. In this case, I usually just duplicate what's already there and then edit it so it's got some consistency. Hit the edit button. We're going to call this test. And then you highlight it. You hit the link button and you paste in that URL that's copied to your clipboard. And then just hit this little apply button. Sometimes what I also do, what you might want to do here, is click edit, this little gear, which lets you have additional editing capabilities, and click open link in new tab. So when they click on it, it takes them to a new tab. And then hit update and then hit save. So that's what you do for the resource section. We'll look at it after we finish this section down here in the front end. So for this though, you're copying a hyperlink from an article you want people to read. So in this case, you'd hit checklist, edit. Once again, I usually duplicate it for simplicity and consistency. Let's see here. I'll just use today's date. And then I'm going to take this old link off. And let's just put test article. Let me go grab some article. I was reading this. So I'll copy that. And then, sorry, I've got so much stuff open here. Then you highlight it. Paste it. Apply it. And I'm going to go ahead and make that open in a different tab. So I'm going to hit the edit button again, hit the gear, open a new tab, hit update, and then save everything. Once you've done that, like I said, I always like to go exit to the front end. Okay. And then I like to test it. So we're going to see the test. That's the article I downloaded. And it opened in a new tab. See that? And then if you go back here, test article. That's the article I was reading. And that opened in a new tab. So it's as easy as that. I'm going to actually go back in here really quick. I'm going to keep this on the video tutorial so you can see and delete them so you don't get confused. But it's a good way to do it again. You just click over this. Then I can hit delete, hover over this, and hit delete. So now they're gone. Then I'm going to hit save. It's that easy. So once again, we'll go back to the front page. Go to home. And you're good to go. If you have any questions, or like I said, if you need me to do the tutorial from the back end instead of the live, just let me know and we can redo that. Thank you. Bye.